Hi guys, welcome to Internet Magic. This horse is legitimately eating from the trunk of this Porsche. If you haven't seen a baby sloth in your life, this is pretty much how it looks like. This is so cute, isn't it? This robot is designed not to fall if someone tries to push it. And if it falls, it gets back up by itself. Some random guy is having a shower with monkeys. That's right, as weird as it gets, these monkeys are having a shower with someone. Oh my god. These workers are moving heavy barrels using this technique to preserve their energy. PS4 controllers' sensitivity are on another level. As you shoot through a game, the shooting button will vibrate so it becomes more realistic. This is a gimbal. It's a video stabilization device. It's made to stabilize shaky videos. This dog is playing hide and seek with this little girl. It's professionally trained to do so. Don't worry about the dog, the lion is just playing with it, they are best friends. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you again next time.